Hi guys, welcome back to Mike Bros. Today I have something cool to show you. This is my new typewriter. Today we're going to type some words on it. Here's a blank sheet of paper we can put into it. Let's switch it on. The first word we're going to spell is blue, which is my favorite color. B L U E. Blue. Now my favorite number 12. T W E L V E. 12. Now we will spell my name. M I C H A E L. Oh, hang on. I don't think something looks right. What's wrong here? Oh yeah, the M is not capitalized. But we'll fix that. There, like that. When you start someone's name, you must always start with a capital letter. So there we have it. Those are some nice words we have typed here. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more. Bye!